This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your HYDRO-BLOK products. If you have any questions, contact your HYDRO-BLOK representative before you start installation. Apply a continuous 1/4-inch bead of HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant around the top edge of the second notch inside the brass drain profile, ensuring that the bead is not broken. Remove the drain nut and both gaskets from the outside of the drain, as well as the solid brass caulking nut and rubber gasket from the inside of the drain body. Now press the solid brass drain body into the joint sealant and seal it firmly into the second notch in the black shower pan drain base. On the underside of the drain, slide the black rubber gasket and then the white fiber gasket over the drain body threads. We recommend holding the drain body from the top of the shower pan to ensure it remains seated. Now thread the solid brass locking nut onto the drain body. Hand tighten the locking nut until the gaskets are snug against the stainless steel support ring on the underside of the shower pan.